Hello and welcome to the Cop House. I've got this retail box of Premier League Adrenalyn XL Plus cards, which is basically the update series. And I'm going to crack into it and hope that I get a complete set. I'm not entirely sure how many cards there are in the set. I'll have to just wait and see. It doesn't come open very easily. It's got 30 something packets in here, 36 I think, yep, 36 packs. Waiting to be cracked open. As you can see, these would normally retail at £1 a pack. I bought these off Panini's website for a bargain of £36. So yeah, no discount for buying a complete box. You can scan this to download the checklist. So if you want the checklist for these, press the pause and scan this with your phone. In fact, I'm going to do that right now. And there we go, there's the checklist. So we've got quite a big checklist, 348 by the looks of it. Oh no, even more so. 540? Wow. So 540 cards to get. Better get ripping and hoping. So kicking it off, just a quick look at these cards. We've got Squad Plus written on these, so you can tell these are from the updates. So there's Nathan Teller for Southampton, João Cancelo for City, Matt Doherty, James Rodriguez, new signing, Power Pair, Harrison and Click. There's a free digital packet, go on, download it if you want it. And Tariq Lamptey, diamond card. So up on first impressions, it is basically an extension of the main set. Let's just hope for some Arsenal cards now. There's Adrenaline Rush. Oh, come on, focus. Focus. Adrenaline Rush, Oriol Romeo. And we've got Callum Wilson, Thomas Partey, Cody and Bolly, Power Pair. It's a download thingy. And then two special cards here. Marek Rodak, Hero card. And Yuri Tielemans, Assist King. As you can see, the shiny cards, they've got a nice sort of rainbow foil quality to them. We've got Odion Igalo, a security tag, very exciting. Thiago Alcantara, Ross Barkley, there for Villa, new signing card. Matt Doherty again. Scan the code. And then we've got Carl Walker, flying fullback. Quite a nice ripply effect on the card there. And Wilf Zaha, goal machine. Although no one really for Palace at the moment is a goal machine. I don't think they've scored many, but then saying that as an Arsenal fan with a bit of tongue-in-cheek, because we hardly scored any. There's Eric Bailly, Anthony Gordon. I'm just going to swap over the piles of cards here because I'm getting confused with how I'm sorting them. Rodrigo Moreno, Ward-Prowse and Romeo. They had a good first half, at least, against Man United a little while ago. Ward-Prowse has done me favours for my fantasy team there. There's Eberechi Eze, or Eze, I'm not sure, because I haven't seen him play. New signing card. And then Grady Diangana, diamond. Trying to show you the true shininess of that, and that's not really showing off. Anyway, so just the one Arsenal card so far, Thomas Partey. Hoping for a few more. Got Kiko Casilla, Callum Robinson, James Rodriguez, Harrison and Click power pair, Marcel, new signing. Then Marcus Rashford, goal machine and awareness machine, it seems. In my opinion, he should be Sports Personality of the Year, purely for all he's done for the starving kids in Britain today, and yeah, he's not a bad player either. There's Eric Bailly again, Edinson Cavani, Saeed Benrahma, Niels Nkunku, and then we've got Sander Berge, Sheffield United hero, Fabio Silva, diamond for Wolves there. There's Kiko Casilla again. I'm not liking the amount of doubles I'm getting here already. Edouard Mendy, Ethan Ampadu, Ryan Fraser, and flying fullback Sergio Reguilon. I'm not sure how you pronounce that because I'm not really bothered about them. And then we got Jack Grealish, leader card. So quite a few more packs to go. Bear with me. Jairo Riedveld, Ibrahimo Diallo, Martial and Greenwood, Ademola Lookman, new signing, Ruben Dias, and goal machine, Mo Salah. Callum Robinson again, Livermore and Pereira, Kenny Tete, Kostas Tsimikas, not sure. And then we've got Kevin De Bruyne, hero, and Fabio Silva, diamond again. So I've worked out I'm definitely not going to get a full set from these because you only get 6 cards per pack and there's 36 packets. So I'm not going to get over 500 cards anyway. But hopefully I can go some way to completing it. Squad Plus, there's Runarsson, Arsenal's goalkeeper signing, Carlos Vinicius, Pulisic and Kante, and then we've got flying fullback Alexander-Arnold and goal machine Wilf Zaha. I do like that you get on average at least one special card per pack. There's him again. There's Fabio Silva, Nathan Ferguson, Van der Beek, and who have we got here? We've got Tom Kearney, hero, and Calvin Phillips, leader. There's Eric Garcia, Will Norris, Matty Cash, Sergio Reguilon, Lascelles and Fernandez. Ooh. And Sadio Mane, Assist King. The Arsenal cards are few and far between here. Ibrahimo Diallo, Thomas Souček, MacArthur and McCarthy, Adam Lallana, and then we got Joe Bryan, Elite. Ooh, and James Rodriguez, Golden Baller card. Very nice. So let's just double check the odds of getting a Golden Baller card. 1 in 30 packets, so really that should be the only Golden Baller card I get in this box. It's nice to see one anyway. I'll just have a check on the checklist, see if there is any Arsenal Golden Ballers. Yes, Aubameyang is. There's only 4 Golden Ballers available from these. Timo Werner, Aubameyang, Vardy and James Rodriguez. Ben Godfrey there. Andy Zakiri. And then we've got Danny Ings, Goal Machine. And Jamal Lewis Diamond. Once I start seeing repeats of cards, I'm not going to bother reading out all the names over and over again, because I'll get bored and you'll get bored. Zinchenko, Giroud, Harrison Reed, Nathan Ake, Bertrand Traore, and Rashford Goal Machine. Zinchenko again, Duncan Webster, Rafinha, Vitinha, Declan Rice and Yuri Tielemans. Will Norris, Jaden Bogle, I'm not sure. Gomez and Allen, Ollie Watkins. Oh good, we've got an Arsenal card here. We've got Diogo Jota, Dream Debut. When it must have been because he scored on his debut. I'm guessing that's the case. And there's Bukayo Saka, Diamond card. Very nice. Jimmy Dunn, Javier Manquillo, Kai Havertz, Alex Telles, Son Mora, and Jamal Lewis Diamond. Getting quite a pile of empty packs over there. There's Mamadou Sakho, Ola Aina, Cengiz Ünder. I probably haven't pronounced that right. Oh, Emi Martinez. Oh, I miss him. Then we've got Bruno Fernandes, Hero, and Ben Mee, Leader. Never know, I might be able to beat the odds. Can I get another Golden Baller card? Can I get Aubameyang? That's the main crux of the matter for me. I've got a Mitrovic Elite card there. There's Luke Ayling, Adrenalyn Rush card. Adrian. Carl Walker-Peters, Joel Veltman, Ruben Loftus-Cheek, and Marek Rodak. Giroud, Jota. Ah, excellent. Willian and Martinelli, power pair card. Gareth Bale, new signing. New old signing. Ben Chilwell, he's done well for my fantasy team. Fernandinho, game breaker card. What else can I get? There's Tomori, Lascelles and Fernandez again. Oh, do we have 3 nice special cards? Oh, we got a limited edition. It has to be him though. Great. There's De Bruyne and Ben Mee. Blimmin' typical, isn't it? Isaac Hayden. Johan Baksh. Kufal. Batshuayi. Sharp and McGoldrick. And, oh, for goodness sake. And Gareth Bale. Yeah. Come on, Arsenal. Frustrating me now. As ever. Llorente. Herver. Thiago Silva. Oh, for crying out loud. Sadio Mane. This box is trolling me now, I swear. Anthony Robinson. Young American by the looks of it. Abdoulaye Doucouré. Jeff Hendrick. And there's Matic, game breaker, and Adama Traore, assist king. Not many packs now to go. And at last I've got an Arsenal card, yay! Ainsley Maitland-Niles, Axel Tuanzebe, Antonio and Bowen, Ryan Brewster, Mohamed Salisu, and Jack Grealish, leader. Isaac Hayden, there's Joe Hart, new signing card. Mane and Firmino. And then we've got Gabriel. Yeah, sorry. Don't know why I was just staring at it. Probably because it's an Arsenal card. There's Callum Wilson for Newcastle, dream debut. And Tariq Lamptey, diamond. So, there we go, that's all the packs I've got left there in that pile. Let's see who else I can find. Willian, Lamina, McGinn Hourihan. That's a good sign. There's Richarlison, goal machine, and Bukayo Saka, diamond. Oh well, that's a double. Luke Ayling, Adrenalyn Rush. Then we've got Cedric Suarez, new signing card. Pierre-Emile Højbjerg. Robin Koch. I'm going to say Koch, because I'll probably get banned if I actually say his surname the way it's pronounced. I nearly did. Kyle Walker. And Bruno Fernandes. Will Smallbone. And we've got Thomas Soucek, Adrenalyn Rush. Nelson Semedo, Prate and Mendy, power pair. Ben Chilwell. And Sergio Aguero, goal machine. Last few now. Let's hold out some hope. Oh, there's Thomas Partey again. Timothy Castagna and Adama Traore. Come on. I don't really know how many Arsenal cards there are available though, so I mean I could have got them all already and not realised. There's Ainsley Maitland-Niles again. Thiago Alcantara, Ross Barkley. And then we've got Neil Maupay, Goal Machine, and Harvey Barnes, Diamond. Looking forward to the rest of the afternoon when I get to sort all these out. Dominic Calvert-Lewin, Eddie Nketiah, excellent. Cedric. And, oh, there's some. Well, for any Spurs collectors, I bet you're thrilled with what I've got out of this box. It's Johan Baksh, Foden and Mahrez, Aaron Ramsdale, Alphonse Areola, Kai Havertz, star signing. They must be quite rare. Yeah, star signings 1 in 11 packets. So I should have had 3 of them. Maybe I have. Oh yeah, I have. I forgot. The influx of Bale cards. And that was Jordan Henderson leader card, by the way. Last 2 packs now. Adrenalyn Rush, Calvert-Lewin, Allen, Jamal Lewis, Wooden Rodriguez, and then we got Raul Jimenez and Harvey Barnes. Final pack. Will it bring forth a great Arsenal player? Let's see. Well, sort of, yes. I mean, he's going to be great in the future. He's showing potential. Pablo Mari, that's all right. Ivanovic. I didn't even know he'd signed for West Brom, so there we go. Ooh. We finished things off with Willian, Assist King, so that's not bad. Not bad at all. What did you think of the break? For 36 quid, you can't really argue. I mean, no chance of autographs, but because they don't exist. Not that there's another version that comes with autographs. Well, there we go. As ever, thank you all for watching, and I'll speak to you all again very, very soon.